Hi guys, just a quick tip on how I managed to eliminate mid-throttle vibrations or oscillations on my Armaton Rooster. Ever since I got it, I would have this irritating vibration. You could notice it on camera. You would also notice it as I was flying past myself. I could hear it basically fluttering. This would happen when I was just under mid-throttle. So initially I tried adding O-rings. That didn't help, so then I added more O-rings. That still didn't help. Then I thought the issue was the motor, so I went out and bought a replacement motor to replace the one that I thought was the culprit, but that wasn't it. So in the end, I did manage to fix the problem, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so this video was taken a few weeks ago, and this will give you an idea of what I was experiencing. Pretty annoying, huh? So, yeah, as I said, look, I did try O-rings, like the ones you can see here. They were effective. They did manage to get rid of a lot of that oscillation, but it was still something that was noticeable during flight. Okay, so on this build, I'm using the Maytech F405 VTX PDB combo and also the FC. As you can see, I've used the rubber standoffs that come with the flight controller, and I've also used another set to mount them underneath the PDB, and it's completely eliminated the problem. If the problem persists, I would suggest trying soft mounts underneath the motors. If you don't want to buy them, you can try electrical tape, and you can I think stack it up about 4 layers of electrical tape, and that may fix your problem. So good luck. I hope this helped.